A newborn baby beanie. It's super soft. It feels beautiful. This will be ideal for those cold winter mornings. It will only take you a day to knit and looks absolutely beautiful with this fabulous double moss stitch. Cast on 52 stitches, 5 rows of rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, 10 centimeters for our pattern. The double moss stitch is a beautiful pattern. It's very effective and looks and feels beautiful on. Using a 10 ply or an Aran weighted wool, using 5mm needles, I've selected one that has a shorter cord so that all the stitches will be held on the needle. The newborn baby beanie is beautiful. It's quick, it's easy. You'll have this knitted in no time at all. Row number 1, knit 1 stitch, yarn to the front and towards you, purl 1 stitch. And that completes our pattern for row number 1. Continue all the way around. Row number 2, knit 1 stitch, yarn to the front and towards you, purl 1. And that completes our pattern for row number 2. Continue all the way around. As we're knitting, we can see we have 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, and then we have 2 purl, 2 knit. So this is the start of our next row, and these ones, because we've only got 1 knit, 1 purl, we need to make sure that we finish off row number 2 with these stitches. To create the crown of your beanie, we need to decrease the number of stitches. Using the knitting stitch, we knit 1 stitch and knit 2 stitches together. Do this for 2 rows and this will decrease the number of stitches. With a tapestry needle, gently slide the stitches onto it. And feed the yarn through. Turn your beanie inside out. Gently pull your yarn, not too tightly. To secure the top of your beanie or the crown of your beanie, just collect a few of the stitches. Turn your beanie inside out. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. It's soft. It has such a pretty stitch. This will look divine on a newborn baby. I'm really happy with this one. It's such a pretty beanie. I hope you enjoy knitting this as much as I have. Oh, this is gorgeous.